Namaste, my peoples. How y'all doing? I got you again with another video, different type of video today. Just wanted to give you guys a unboxing video. I mean, it's not gonna be like a typical one. I want to make it quicker, I guess, or just a little different. I bought this. uh, it's called iSteady. It's for my smartphone. And I figured I need a tripod. I need to get the vlogging going. I need to get outside more. I mean, with everything that's going on, I'm not sure how much of outside I can be. But I just want to show you guys some of behind the scenes on this channel. So without further ado, let's make it happen. Okay, guys. So as I promised, this is it right here. iSteady mobile 3-axis handheld stabilizing gimbal right there. And that's a little bit of the features. You got 600-degree mode panning. I don't know how that's possible because the circle is 360 degrees, but we ain't gonna get into that. Max payload is 200 grams. I don't know how heavy that is. I'm guessing that's no heavier than 10 pounds. Don't quote me again. But we got a trigger button for sports mode. I believe this is like if you want to zoom in and zoom out, and it says recenter. Visual tracking, motion time lapse. I need that because yeah. Panorama. Yep. Most of the good features about this. So let me just go ahead and open it up. If I open this thing up real quick. Woo! Alright. Warranty card. Yep. Got a little packaging, little case. I kind of like that, you know. Bam. 3-axis the booklet. Now I already opened this. Surprise, surprise. But I just wanted to give y'all an overview of how it looked when you opened it and stuff. And I just I haven't put it together yet, so that's still new to me. So here it is right here. Not bad, not bad. Obviously your smartphone goes there. And yeah. Turning it using trigger right there. This is, I guess, another handle. Let me get that in there. Oh no. Oh wait, no. This is the tripod. This is so you can like stand it on its end of it here, screw it in, and then have it tripoded out like that. Got the charging station right here. So let me go ahead and put this together, guys, and use it for y'all, and I'll show y'all how it's done. Okay, guys, so I forgot that you needed to charge the gimbal in order to use it. So I'm charging it right now. If I get a chance to use it outside, I will. But if not, I will see you guys tomorrow and give you my take on it. I don't even know why I'm telling you this, because I can just cut the video without y'all knowing, and then do one video. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm outside with my gimbal. Y'all already know the times that we're living in right now, so I don't have to speak on it. But as you can see, picture quality is pretty good. I know it's coming from the phone, but in conjunction with the gimbal, picture's really good, pretty steady, even when I'm turning. On that point, I just wanted to bring up one thing about the turns. As you can see here, it comes into frame right there on the right hand side, and that's because I use all 600 degrees of the turn. So if you're using all the 600 degrees of the gimbal's turn, once you come back the other way, it will come back into frame. So I just wanted you guys to know that, just be aware of that if ever you you know, decide to buy this and use it. But like I said, it's pretty steady. I'm pretty sure if I run with this, the picture will still be good. Everything's in focus. Everything is coming in the way that it should look. You know what I mean? So right here, you know, the tripod's gonna do what the tripod's gonna do, keeping the gimbal steady. And I did try the follow feature, but it doesn't work with me. I don't know if it's because I have an Android. But I don't want to hear none of y'all iPhone users talking bad about Android. Hey, hashtag Android all day. But that's about it, guys. I want to appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Herb G, Veganometri.